Right now we're preparing to our training camp na din before going to Asian Games. Mauna po kami doon ng 2 weeks for training camp. And hopefully, maging safe. Ayun lang naman yung palagi ko din dasal po. Na sana ma-perform namin din. Ninanais po namin performance. And sana po makauwi po tayo ng mga medals for the Philippines.
Possible ba na makanood ka rin kaya ng MLBB Games dun sa Asian Games?
Sana po. Gusto ko manood po ng other sports than gymnastics. Palagi na lang yung gymnastics na pagkakas ko. I'm happy to try po and wanted to watch other sports as well. And if my opportunity, I will really support and go to cheer. Of course, this is not our first time sharing the podium. This is gonna be my second time, but this is the first time for us sharing the podium in Asian Games. So I'm really excited and